Hello friends, welcome to our channel. CEUs are very important for the medical coders who have obtained certification from AAPC. Most of the time, AAPC will try to provide CEUs freely through AAPC local chapters. My name is Harish Gupta, currently working as a ambulatory surgery trainer and also content creator for FastCoder21 Medical Coding YouTube channel. In my channel, you will get latest updates in medical coding, including IP, OP, SCC, denials and anesthesia. And also I will try to provide free AAPC local chapter webinar links whenever possibility is there. Always my intention is to share knowledge, gain knowledge. So if anyone looking for free AAPC CU webinars, medical coding jobs in India, USA, UAE, join in our WhatsApp group. So group link will be mentioned in the description of this video. So currently we are going to see AAPC Chennai chapter virtual meeting on Saturday 21st December 2024 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST. If you attend this webinar, you are going to get 2 free CUs for your certification. The speaker for this webinar is Sekti Selvi Kashiturai CPC, and here the topic is 2025 CPT coding updates. So here prepare for the upcoming 2025 CPT code updates by attending this webinar. So basically CPT is very important in medical coding. Except inpatient coding, we will use CPT in all other specialties. So if you are having the CPT knowledge, you can work anywhere in medical coding except inpatient coding. So in order to attend the interviews and in order to use CPT codes in live coding, we need to follow the updates yearly. So this session is very important as our topic is 2025 CPT coding updates. If it is possible, try to attend this free CU webinar and get knowledge about 2025 CPT coding updates. You don't need to worry if you miss the webinar. I will post one video related to these updates in our channel. Thanks for visiting our channel. If anyone looking for same day surgery live coding training, please send WhatsApp message to 707-526-3939 and also please like, comment and subscribe. Share our channel maximum in order to benefit other coders or your friends.